Hi guys, I'm Paul, and in this video, we're going through a quick but practical guide to getting the most out of your saving this 2025. So for the objectives of this video is, first, understand what inflation is and how it affects your savings. Second, why traditional savings isn't enough. Third is what makes a high-interest savings account good. Fourth is top high-interest savings accounts in the Philippines that I use as of May 2025. 5 is things to watch out, like maintaining balances, hidden fees, or any agendas. 6 and last is tips on how to maximize your savings. Quick disclaimer is this isn't a financial advice. I'm just sharing what I know and what works for me. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research and invest at your own risk. So, number 1, what is inflation? So, ang basic definition niya is it is the rate of increase in prices over a given period of time. So, meaning over time, ang prices ng mga bilihin is tumataas. Ganon. So, ano nga ba ang mga example nito? Ang simple example nito is, sabihin natin yung 1,000 pesos mo. Ang 1,000 pesos mo dito, noong 5 years ago or 10 years ago, kaya niyang bumili ng sobrang dami sa grocery. But your 1,000 pesos today, hindi na siya makakabili ng same amount nung nabili mo last 5 to 10 years ago. Number 2, why your regular bank isn't enough. So, ang traditional banks in the Philippines, they give around 0.10 to 0.25 interest. It usually depends sa bank. Yung mga rates na yon is way below inflation. Kasi usually ang inflation is around 3 to 5% per year. So, hindi nakakahabol yung pera mo sa traditional bank sa inflation. So, nakaupo lang yung pera mo sa bank with low interest and unti-unti siyang nawawalan ng value. Number 3, what makes a good high-interest savings account today? So, ideally, ang gusto nating high-interest rate is above 4%. And, syempre, wala siyang maintenance balance or mababa ang maintenance balance. Wala rin siyang lock-in period and reliable yung customer service. So, syempre, PTIC insured. PTIC insured, meaning lang naman nun is if ever kung ano man mangyari sa bank, insured ang specified amount mo. And as of March 2025, 1 million pesos na ang guaranteed na may insured per bank mo. So, number 4, best high-interest account savings that I use. So, Cbank, 4% siya up to 400k and then above 400,000 is 3% na lang ang ma-earn niya. Maya Savings, 3.5% ang base interest niya and up to 15% with missions. Own Bank is 3.8%. Tonic is 4%. GoTime is 3.5%. Also, note ko lang, lahat sila is hindi naka-time deposit and not all banks have time deposit doon. So, pili lang. So, number 5, watch out for promo interest rates that revert after a few months or within a month, like Maya Missions that resets every month, and then CIB promos, and then bugs sa app. So, baka mamaya nag-succeed ang transaction sa main bank mo and then hindi na-receive nung app na yon. Well, isang example lang naman yun, but there are more instances na possible na mangyari. Next is limited banking features. Syempre, hindi lahat ng bank have the same features. They have their own pros and cons. So, withholding tax, 20% nababawas sa nakukuha mong daily or monthly interest. And then tiered interest. Tiered interest is similar to Cbank. Up to 4% per annum for less than 400k. And above 400k, ang ma-earn mo lang is 3% per annum. So, how to maximize your savings nga ba? So, usually ang ginagawa ko is split ko yung pera ko across different banks to take advantage of their limits. So what I usually do is I do missions or challenges, specifically sa Maya. Ang ginagawa ko usually is every month, if dumating ang water bill ko, and then babayad ko yun through Maya para makuha ko yung 1.5% bonus interest. For internet and then electric bill, binabayad ko siya sa Cbank. Kasi sa Cbank, as of May 2025, ang nakukuha ko doon is 5 pesos cashback if nagpay ng bills. So, why bother do all of this hassle stuffs? Even with those small cashbacks, like 5 peso cashback and 1.5 bonus interest. So, eventually, nag-stack up siya over time. And yung 5 pesos na yun, 10 pesos, magiging 10 pesos. Eventually, magiging, sabihin natin per year, around 300 pesos na sa save ko. Which is not bad, diba? So, you're spending anyway, so why not maximize it, diba? So, if you found this video helpful, leave a like and comment and subscribe for future videos. You can also watch my other videos, which I'll put it somewhere around here.